Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just tap on one of your added passwords that you wish to edit. Enter your current login method. And after selecting Edit button, change wherever you wish to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!